Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend, we are going to talk about guys iQOO phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how to on and off aeroplane mode on iQOO phone. Friends, you want to on and off aeroplane mode setting, and friends, you want to use aeroplane mode setting on your iQOO phone. So friend, how to use it today friends, I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So friend, first of all, open your phone setting to use aeroplane mode. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of settings. Friends, where is aeroplane mode setting and how to on it. Friends, you can find your aeroplane mode on your network and internet setting. So friends, click here. Friends, you want to use Wi-Fi, you want to on, so you can on and use from here. Friends, click on aeroplane mode settings. So aeroplane mode guys, first we will on. After on guys, your mobile network will off, and guys you cannot use your mobile data and phone calls. So friends, on aeroplane mode guys, we can connect Wi-Fi network. So guys, on your Wi-Fi friends, you can see aeroplane mode is on. You can see this notification. Friends, you can see Wi-Fi network has connected already on my phone. So friends, you can see while aeroplane mode is on, friends, you can connect Wi-Fi and you can use your internet on your iQOO phone. Friends, you can see I can use YouTube app, aeroplane mode, but guys you cannot use guys your mobile data and phone calls will off. So like that guys, we can on and use aeroplane mode setting. And friends, you want to off, so guys you can off and get direct guys, we will off from search bar. So guys, search here guys aeroplane mode setting. As you can see aeroplane mode setting, so guys we will tap here aeroplane mode setting. Oh guys, sorry, click network internet aeroplane mode. Aeroplane mode is here. We will tap here to off. After off guys, you can use your mobile network setting guys. You can use guys your phone calls without any problem. So like that guys, we can on and use aeroplane mode setting, and when you don't want to use, so you can turn off on your iQOO phone. So that's it guys. We will meet on next video. Friends, do you have any doubt related to guys your iQOO phone setting? You can ask me in comment section. I will check. I will help you. Bye guys.